Pedders TrakRyder four-wheel drive and SUV brake kits offer superior stopping power and maintain braking efficiency at increased temperatures. The scientifically designed Kevlar ceramic formula is ideal for towing and off-road enthusiasts. Anytime you add weight to your vehicle when towing or carrying a load, you change the operating conditions of your stock brake package. This may exceed the limit of your vehicle's braking ability. The solution? Pedders TrakRyder Kevlar Ceramic brake pads. Increase your stopping power, maintain efficiency at peak temperatures in all conditions. Reduce vibration and noise with Shimtech advanced shims, as well as slotted and chamfered friction material. Plus, the Kevlar ceramic formula is fused with ultra-low dusting technology, meaning cleaner wheels. Pedders Kevlar Ceramic TrakRyder four-wheel drive and SUV brake kits available at your local Pedders outlet.